Thank you for choosing EZbra dressing. A few things before we begin. We recommend that you wash your hands before applying the dressing and stand in front of a mirror. You can always restart the demo, and we're here to help every step of the way. Open the pack. Take EZbra out and place the instructions for use in front of you. Unfold EZbra. Detach tabs and hold them. Place EZbra behind your back. Gently elevate the dressing until it reaches your armpits. Fasten tabs. Cross the upper tab over the left cup and attach it. Now cross and attach the lower tab to the right cup. After tabs come bands. Unfold the flex band, then pull and attach. Repeat the action in the opposite direction. Almost done. Let's strap the last ones. Release and extend the longer flex bands. To adjust compression levels, refit any tab or band. When drains are in use, you may use upper bands to attach the tube. Use the lower bands to hang the drain bulb. That's it. You're fully dressed.